Alright. Endangerment attacks. 10. Drasticizing, catastrophizing, hypochondriacizing. I feel afraid, but I am not in danger. I like to say and instead of but there, personally. That feels better to me. I vote it both ways. I feel afraid, and I am not in danger. I am not in trouble with my parents. I refuse to scare myself with thoughts and pictures of my life deteriorating. No more homemade horror movies and disaster flicks. No more turning tiny ailments into tales of dying. (11) Negative focus. I will stop anxiously looking for, over-noticing, and dwelling on what might go wrong, or what might go wrong with me or life around me. Or what might be wrong with me or life around me. Right now, I will notice, visualize, and enumerate my accomplishments, talents, and qualities, as well as the many gifts life offers me, like music, film, food, beauty, color, books, nature, friends, etc. I'll hit you. I won't.
Time urgency. I am not in danger. I do not need to rush. I will not hurry unless it is a true emergency. I am learning to enjoy doing my daily activities at a relaxed pace. 13. Disabling performance anxiety. I am reducing procrastination by reminding myself not to accept unfair criticism or perfectionist expectations from anyone. Even when afraid, I will defend myself from unfair criticism. I won't let fear make my decisions. Tag.
14. Perseverating about being attacked. Unless there are clear signs of danger, I will thought stop my projection of past bullies and critics onto others. The majority of my fellow human beings are peaceful people. I have legal authorities to aid in my protection if threatened by the few who aren't. Some fucking abolition and restructuring of institutions and organization is fucking radically needed. But sometimes I have seen my trust in authorities could be a little bit better in place. Sometimes people surprise me. I'll give them that. I invoke thoughts and images of my friends' love and support. I'd go for our capability instead of to aiding in our protection, instead of institutions that I have shaky trust with personally, but